So, tell me, Firefly, will our subscribers like this craft? Yes! I knew it! Friends, if you're watching this video, it means that you will soon have a cool prediction toy that you can make with my help. So, for your predictor toy, you will need a strip of colored paper 11 by 1.4 inches, cardboard, colored paper, a cute character, some wooden sticks, a pen, and coins. We make a construction that looks like a pinwheel or a windmill. We glue the parts. Then, we glue the wooden stick and bend the propeller blades. Also, we glue the cardboard on one side with colored paper, putting the box together. Next, we insert the pinwheel and fix it on one side. It remains only to glue the lid. Now preparing the fortuneteller wheel. Cut out the middle. Then we draw the same fills. We glue on the second circle. Be careful, mark the center and glue it to the finished box. To prevent the firefly from spinning, with the round base, we attach a coin to it. Well, now it remains only to draw, or you can glue the answers. Done. So our pinwheel and fortune teller is ready. Ask a question, toss a coin, and answer a prediction. Firefly, will we have a great weather today? Can be. Well, I think it's even better than weather prediction. So you can really have fun, and you can find even more cool craft ideas game on our channel. Subscribe, share videos with your friends, and you guys, let's be friends on social networks. And of course, play Jolly Battle. Do our subscribers play Jolly Battle? Most likely. It's a most likely, or yes, or most likely. So most likely, yes.